Hello everyone, my name is Go San, a final year student from USN. I'm done my final year project for Smart Socket for Power Management with Integrate Mobile System version 2 under my supervisor Dr. Supri. What is Smart Socket? Smart Socket is letting the user to plug any appliances into it. Then the user can control whatever you plug into it remotely through the corresponding application. This smart socket is created by using Raspberry Pi 3 with current sensor, and this is connected appliances to the internet for control remotely anywhere. Why is created this smart socket? Due to everyone only will know the electricity bill created end of the month, and sometimes will overuse cause the bill for the electricity is very high. Second is may not know which home appliances use the most of the electricity usage. They are also always forget to off the home appliances when going out or overcharge their electronic device. So the solution for this problem is having a mobile application that able to remove control to on and off socket, and also can create a schedule factor to let the user set timer to switch on or off for the home appliances. Next is to predict the electricity usage and budget factor to let the user can save or reduce the electricity fee. Okay, for my objective for this project is to develop a remote access system to the socket and allow the user to remove access to the socket in any time, anywhere through internet access. Second is to use recurrent neural network to estimate the electricity usage of upcoming next month based on the user history of the electricity usage. Last is provide a system that display the electricity usage and recommendation. It allows users to monitor the electricity usage and provide recommendation on their budget on electricity free on Paramount. This is my module for this application. It had divided to three subsystems, which is Wi-Fi remote control system, machine learning of behavior usage, which is recurrent neural network for prediction electricity usage, and K nearest neighbor for generation of schedule. Last is budget and usage management system. This is my overall architecture. Socket with Raspberry Pi 3 connect to the mobile application through the Firebase. For the language that develop the functionality in Raspberry Pi 3 is Python and TensorFlow library for machine learning. In this application, I have using two machine algorithms. First, for the generate schedule for the socket is nearest neighbor KNN. The reason I'm using this is because KNN is simple and easy to implement. For the predict, the electricity usage is using the long short-term memory or STM. The benefit and impact for this application: first is save and optimize the electricity consumption usage, and then reduce wastage and predict the usage of the upcoming month. Visualize the history of the electricity usage. Control remotely with different network at any time, anywhere. Last is monitor the real-time current flow from appliances with current sensor program. So let's start the project demonstration.
Now going to demo my mobile application. This is my login menu for the mobile application. And then this is my main menu for the mobile application. This is showing the electricity usage for each plug and the electricity free for the month. User also can click either one circle to see the electricity usage by day. You also can zoom in to see each day, and then the value showing in the graph is socket usage. And then if you click either one button, you also can see the free for the electricity usage. Also can see the money. And then now I'm going to remove socket. This one is the menu for the remove socket, and then user also can change the socket name if they want to remember it. Or and then I'm going to show a video between hardware and control my mobile application. Now you can see all the plug is off, and then I explain plug 1 is charge with phone, plug 2 is hair dryer, and then plug 3 is power bank. And then now I on plug 1 with the charging phone. You will see the phone is charging now, and then I off it. You will stop charging. And then this one is the hair dryer, and then I on it, sound of the hair dryer, and then it will stop. And then this one power bank, plug 3, I on it, you will see the power light is charging, and then I off it, it will stop charging. Next, going to schedule. This one can be plug 1, plug 2, plug 3, and then you can user can set the timer for the socket to control switch on and off, and then you can open it and you can set the time for switch on and time for switch off. Now have a video to show the hardware and control my mobile application. Now I set the time schedule for the plug 1, and then I use the test, and then I add it with the time. Now is 22, I put 23 switch on, and then 24 is switch off. Yeah. Timer is at, and then need to wait until 1 minute later you see the phone. Now he's on already, and then I set after 1 minute he will auto off the charging. Now 24 already, so he auto shut down the charging plug. Yeah, thank you. That's all. And then this one is smart schedule, which is the timer is created by using K&M based on the usage of the month. And then this one is the socket usage overall for part 1, part 2, part 3, and overall graph. This one is his electricity history by month. You can just generate a graph for March to May. You also can see the money for the and then now I'm going to manage budget. If the user if I want to set 20 ringgit for the budget, and then now is the free. Current free is the electricity free has been used, like used 6 ringgit, and then remaining remains 13 ringgit. And then this one is the usage detail. The current usage is the electricity usage is used, and the remaining. And then now I'm going to prediction. This one is using the LSTM machine learning algorithm to predict daily rate and money. You can see the estimate free, and this one is weekly. You also can see each chart. And then this one is money, and then if the budget is lower than the estimate free, the system will give some advice to the user to reduce their electricity usage to maintain the user set the budget. Yeah. And then this one is configure. The socket is for the new user. If they buy a new hardware, then he need to set the Bluetooth device for the Raspberry Pi. Need to pair it, and then you can write the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password to start configure to let the Raspberry Pi remember the Wi-Fi in your house. That's all for me. Thank you.